In the mid-1960s, owning a Cadillac wasn't just about driving. It was about power, wealth, and status. And standing at the very top was a 1966 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, a car many still call the last true ultra-luxury Cadillac. This machine was massive, longer than some limousines, yet elegant and graceful. Its wide chrome grille, endless bodyline, and tall vertical taillights gave a commanding presence. The Cadillac crest on the hood wasn't just decoration. It was a badge of success. Step inside, and you weren't just in a car. You were in a rolling living room. Wide leather seats stretched like sofas. Polish with trim gleamed across the dashboard, and passengers were treated to comforts most cars didn't even dream of back then. It even featured one of the world's first automatic climate control systems. Just set the dial, and the cabin stayed perfectly cool or warm. But luxury wasn't its only talent. Under the hood sat a massive 429 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 340 horsepower and nearly 500 lb-ft of torque. That may not sound extreme today, but in 1966 it meant smooth, effortless speed. This Cadillac could glide down the highway at 70 miles per hour in near silence, with the engine reduced to a soft whisper. Riding in one felt less like a drive and more like floating on air. Of course, prestige came at a price. At over $6,500, the Fleetwood Brougham cost more than many homes in America. That's why it was a choice of politicians, Hollywood stars, and business leaders. For them, a Cadillac wasn't just transportation. It was proof they had made it to the very top. Today, the '66 Fleetwood Brougham is remembered as the last Cadillac built without compromise. It symbolized an era when American cars were bigger, bolder, and unapologetically luxurious. A true icon of the American dream on wheels. So, what do you think? Could Cadillac ever return to this level of prestige? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more classic car stories.